Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Do Not Disturb. This blocks incoming call rings while you use data. First, open Settings and enable DND or Focus. Set silence to always so calls won't ring during active apps. Once done, make sure you allow only essential exceptions, like repeated calls or a few starred contacts. You'll reduce interruptions immediately. If you plan to stream or video conference, schedule DND or create an app-specific focus to keep internet traffic unaffected while silencing callers. Next, modify carrier or app-level handling so calls never interrupt your internet session. Call your carrier or use their app to forward calls to voicemail for selected hours or enable temporary call blocking on your account. For VoIP or SIP apps, set your presence to Do Not Disturb or disable incoming ring notifications inside the app settings. This prevents the network from sending ringing interruptions to your device. Make sure changes are active. Test with a second phone to confirm forwarding or muting works. Finish by verifying and troubleshooting. You should test with another phone, call your number and confirm no ring, only voicemail, or a silent decline. If calls still get through, reboot your device, re-enable DND or Focus, and double-check carrier-side forwarding or blocking rules. Also disable call waiting in settings, since it can bypass silencing. As a last resort, switch to airplane mode and re-enable Wi-Fi. This severs cellular calls entirely while keeping internet access. Useful when nothing else stops the ringing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.